This is half of a batch of pancakes I made about a week ago. I rolled these up in greaseproof paper and put them in the freezer. Just defrosted them today. This contains the juice of 1 orange and half a lemon. This is some candied peel that I made earlier. Melt about an ounce of butter in a frying pan. Wait till the butter is melted. Add about 50 grams of caster sugar. And stir until the caster sugar melts and turns to syrup. When it begins to caramelize, add the orange juice and lemon juice mix and continue to stir until the caramel dissolves. Then add the candied peel and stir in. Add your pancakes one at a time. Fold over. Fold over again. Toss in another pancake. Fold over. Toss in your last pancake. Fold over. And fold over again. That one's a little bit thicker than the rest. I shall have that one. Now take a couple of tablespoons of Cointreau and ignite. There we have Leckie's Crepe Suzette. Voila!